Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing the Lenovo IdeaPad S145. I got it from Best Buy as an open box, so I got a pretty good deal on it. So let's get to it. Looks like the laptop has been packaged pretty good. It's intact. We got looks like it's in Windows 10 and S mode. Looks like we got our warranty information right here and a setup guide. Nice. Everything seems to be in order. Here's the side of the box, by the way, in case anybody was wondering. So it is a 2-cell battery with a 15.6-inch FHD TN display. So for the battery info as well, it's a 35 watt-hour battery. So let me just take this out. And let me grab the charger real quick. Yeah, it looks like the charger is intact. Everything looks good. Now I wanted to show everybody another Lenovo S145 that I have. So it's an i7. That is my old one, the 2019. I use it every day for work. It's a great laptop. You know, a budget laptop that you can easily upgrade. That's why I like these Lenovos. I still use it every day. And the reason why I like it a lot is, I don't really have to worry about it so much. Like, what if I accidentally drop the laptop? So, it wasn't like a super expensive laptop. So it's something that, I can really use for work and stuff. So here we have the new one, which has a Ryzen 3 Radeon graphics. And you can see the sticker right there. So on the left side is our old laptop, which says IdeaPad S145 as well. They're pretty much the same body. And you have an i7 8th gen. So that's my older laptop. So just a heads up also, there is no backlit keyboard on this laptop. So let's do our boot up time test. So the boot up time that I got was about 14.5 seconds. Here are the ports on the left side of the laptop. You got your charging port, HDMI, one USB 2.0 and two USB 3.2s. On the right side, you have your SD card slot, headphone jack, and a Novo button. So keep that in mind, you won't have USB ports on the right side. Weight-wise, looks like it is a 1.717 kilogram laptop. And then thickness-wise, it is 2 centimeters. I'm trying to measure the thickest part of the laptop. And then measurement over here is 25 centimeters about. And here is, I would say about 36.25 centimeters. So the screen is a 15.6 inch FHD TN display, like I mentioned earlier. And, oh yeah, so for the video quality of the webcam, it is 480p, 30 FPS. And the photo is 0.3 megapixel, 640 by 480. So it's not very high. Mic test, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Playback at 50%. Mic test, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Playback at 100%.
Mic test, A B C D E F G, A B C D E F G, 1 2 3, 1 2 3.
So here are some screenshots as well. That's your memory right there. So it is a 2.6 gigahertz base speed with the 3200U. We have a disk capacity of 239 gigabytes. And here's a read and write speed crystal disk mark test for the SSD. So it's actually pretty good. Here's your Bluetooth. And it is a Sonix integrated camera, by the way. Monitor is just, pretty much just a generic, screen. Here's your wireless network adapter. And here is the processor. And that is pretty much it. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Take it easy.